Hi everyone, this is Smriti. Welcome to QA automation classes. And today we are going to continue on our framework development sessions. Today will be session number 8, and in this session we are going to learn how exactly we can implement the page classes. Okay, so if we see, we have already completed the session one was about types of the framework and their pros and cons, and second session was like what are the tools and the frameworks we have used, and session 3 was all about the Maven introduction and how to manage the dependencies, what is the Maven build life cycle, how the build process creates a jar file. All those things we have completed in that session. And then in class 4 we have created our folder structure for our framework, and in class 5 we have added the dependencies that are required for our automation framework to the form.xml. And class 6 was creating a properties file and reading the data from those properties file, and class 7 was initiating and navigating to the URL and quitting the driver instance that already created. So these are 7 classes we have completed till now, and today we're going to look into the page class implementation. If you have not watched any of the classes, I will request you to go to the respective video and watch them. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so what exactly is a page class? So this is our application which we are going to automate, right? This is a good e-commerce application. So where you can go, this is the landing page, this is the home page or landing page, and here you see a lot of links over there, right? And if you see, there are the different categories also. You can add the product to the cart and check out, or you can view the product, right? So let's start with the basics. So first thing is, when you open this URL, right, automationexercise.com, so this is the landing page. Okay, so landing page is nothing but the home page. So I'm interested in creating the page class. So what kind of page class I need? First, the first should be the home page, right? This is the landing page or the first page of the application. So in the home page, what should I do in this page class? I should have I should be going to identify all the links or all the web element that I see on the this page. Okay, and gradually each and every test cases are going to use their different links. Okay, so first let's say, in the home page I'll see. Okay, so first is the sign up or login. Okay, let's say I want to automate this sign up or login flow. So in order to do that, what I have to do, the first I have to define this sign up or login web element, right? I have to identify this one, and then with that we have to do a click method, right? So whatever all the web elements are applicable to a particular page, we have to define them in the page class, and then with the help of the action method we have to define what exactly it is supposed to do, that web element. Like how I told, sign up and login, click on this one, I need to click on this one to go to that sign in page, right? That's what. So apart from that, there is one more thing, like okay, so we will create the public constructor, right? And inside that we have to invoke the init element method, and then we will initialize the object by passing the driver instance from the test class. So we'll be looking that. Okay, we'll, when we go to the IntelliJ and code the respective base class and the method, you will see that. Okay, and we might use the cache lookup. So cache lookup is like a Selenium annotation, right? That will be when it is mentioned for a particular web element. So instead of finding it again in the DOM, Selenium will cache it, and it will try to look it from there next time from the cache, so that finding the web element is faster. So whenever there is a need for a particular web element to be repeatedly used in the test cases, in that case you can use the @cache lookup. Okay, so let's get started, guys. Let's go to the IntelliJ. So what is our page class package? Here it is the page class. Okay, so right click, new Java class. So I'm going to create the home page. Okay, so home page got created, and in the home page we have to create web driver first, right? So let's say, yeah, web driver. Okay, and we have to do find the element, right? So at the rate find by, find by. So let's go and find the XPath for this the web element. Let's go there. Okay, so sign up slash login, inspect. Okay, so let's say double slash a. Okay, so we have seen that sign up slash login was there, right? Let me quickly one more time check. So yeah, sign up slash login. Okay, and let me copy this one first. Okay, so double slash a, and then we'll use the normalized space because I can see there was a lot of spaces before and after, right? So let's say square bracket normalize hyphen space, okay, normalize hyphen space equals to sign up slash login, okay. So normalize hyphen space equals to sign up slash login, okay. So yeah, that should be okay, okay. Let's see. So sign up slash login, I believe we have to control F, okay. So yeah, so now if you see, it is identifying one element, that is the element sign up slash login. So let's take this xpath, let's go to IntelliJ IDEA, so find by, and we're going to use xpath over here. Let's say xpath equals to, and within the double quote put this xpath, okay. So this is what, through the find by annotation, we got this sign up slash login, okay. So I told you at the rate cache lookup, right? If you want, you can use this one. If it is going to be reused frequently, right, this web element, then we can go with the cache lookup. So then let's say private web element, right? What we're identifying here, we're identifying a web element. So private web element, let's give it the name, right? The name will be sign up slash login, right? I'll say sign up or login. So let's say sign up or login, okay. So sign up or login, this is the name of the web element. And okay, so we have defined the this web element. So if you go to the UI, so for this test case, we are defining our home page, and in the home page, my intention is to go and click on the sign up slash login link. So for that, we have created the driver instance, and then we are saying find by xpath. So we are getting that web element location through the find by annotation, and we are assigning that way web element. Okay, sign up or login is the name of the web element, and now we have to initialize this home page, right? So how to initialize this home page? So we'll create this uh, like constructor, right? So let's say public web element, okay, public web element, and no, sorry, not web element, public like constructor, right? So sorry, my bad. So public home page, okay. So home page, and then inside the home page, what we need? We need the driver instance. So from where this driver instance will come? So this driver instance will come from the test case. So let's say web driver, okay. We'll look into that, right? So web driver, we're passing that one, web driver, and sorry, it is the right. So we have to give some body, right, method body. So here let's initialize the driver, this dot driver equals to driver, and then the next statement will be, so we have to use the page factory concept to initialize the element. So we can use page factory, okay. So you can see here page factory is there, right? Page factory dot init elements, right? So init element is used to initialize those web elements, right? So init elements, what we need to pass here? Driver and this, okay. So refers to the current object. So with that, with this code, we can create a page factory. Through the page factory, we can initialize the element. So here my test case is to go to this sign up and login page and click on it. So that's why if you see from all those pages web element, I'm only concerned about this one for this test case. So that's why I'm only capturing this web element. So when you gradually start designing your test cases, some other test cases will again access this home page. Let's say card or something, video tutorial or contact us, right? So when you design a test case for contact us, that time you have to come to this home page, and here you have to define this contact us related web element, right? How we define for this one, you have to define that here, right? So but now I don't need it, so I'm just keeping it simple, so that I'm just designing for this one sign up or login page, okay. And then this is what I did. So I am done with the uh, constructor definition, right, where I'm initializing the driver and initializing the web elements, okay. And then the web element finding is also done, but we have to do some operation on the web element, right? So in order to do that, we have to define a method, right? So let's say public void, okay, and I'll say click sign in, okay, click sign up, okay. or login. Okay, click sign up or login. Okay, so this is the method I'm going to call. Okay, so now how, what should be the code here? So we have the sign up or login. This is a button, right? Or link. This is a link. Let's say sign up or login link. Okay, okay, so sign up or login link dot click dot click. So exactly what it is going to do, it is going to create a it is going to call the click method on top of this web element. That means this web element that we have identified through this XPath is going to get clicked when this method is called. This is gonna get clicked. Okay, so this is how exactly you can define a particular page class. And similarly for the multiple pages, we have to come up with the multiple page class. So here home page, and there will be different other pages, right? Products page, cart page, contact us page, right? So here if you see, we will keep on adding all those pages. Whenever that particular test case is executed, that will in turn call that page class, that particular method. So for here, next session we'll be creating the test case, and in the test case you will see we'll be passing the driver instance, and then we'll be calling this method, okay, from the test class, so that the control will come from the test class to the page class, and then in the through the page class it will try to click on it, right? So that's how the flow goes. Okay, so and that's all to this session, guys. If you guys are enjoying the sessions, I'll request you to subscribe to my channel, and please share it with your friends and colleagues. Okay, so we'll meet in the next session. We'll learn about how to design the test case from the scratch. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye bye.